Take only what resonates, guys. Bale, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Kasi, hindi po talaga natin makakuha lahat ng energy ng air sign sa mundo. Hindi ko ito kukunan masyadong marami. Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba, guys. Medyo may ubo ako ngayon, guys, ha? So, medyo pagpasensyahan mo na lang yung boses ko. At from time to time, pwedeng wala kong sabi-sabi, magpo-post ako ng video. Kasi, of course, baka baka mag-ubo naman ako na baka maingayan kayo. So anyway, pag napigilan ko at may post ko yung video, pagpasensyahan mo na lang. Anyway, let's start the reading. 2 of Wands, 4 of Wands. Ayan. Bottom of the deck is a 3 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Maganda to kasi yung yung main energy mo, nakikita natin na you are this person na pwedeng nag-iisip ka ng something na stable ngayon, may mga plano ka, may kinalaman sa iyong stability, maybe career mo, maybe sa home mo. You're thinking of something na gagawain. And you are, plano mo na talagang aksyonan kung ano man ito. And maybe, nakikita kita mo na yung kung paano gagawain ito. And Queen of Pentacles is here. This is your person. Ace of Wands. Well, I can see a new person here. I mean, this person likes you. Gusto ka niya. The Lovers is here, Gemini energy. There's this energy, there's a potential na itong person na ito is magkaroon ng like future between you and this person. Like, pwedeng siya yung potential na maging karelasyon mo in the future. And pwedeng naiisip po na ngayon, pwedeng nagkaka-idea ka na. And maybe you are someone na already mature enough. Maybe you want to settle down, or kung magkakaroon ng karelasyon or partner or asawa, sabihin na natin, in the future, siya yung nakikita mo, siya yung gusto mo. And then this person is really admiring you a lot. May mga bagay na gumugulat sa kanya na may kinalaman sa'yo. Pwedeng nagugulat siya na ganyan ka mag-isip, na ganyan ka magsalita, na ganyan ka, maybe sa itsura mo. So, hindi niya akalain na magugustuhan ka niya. For air sign. Okay. Judgment is here, 4 of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Fool is at the bottom of the deck. Okay, this is your soulmate, this is your, yung iba, twin flame pa nga may spiritual connection. 4 of Pentacles, I feel like kailangan mong mag-ipon or you have to think about yourself. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mag-ipon. There's a new beginning na naghihintay sa'yo and this person in the future. And with the Judgment, dahil mangyayari sa future, ito kailangan maging ready ka. Kailangan mag-ipon. Justice card is here. 5 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra energy. Bottom of the deck, the Chariot. Cancer energy. Okay. I feel like may mga bagay na hindi kayo mapipigilan ng person na ito. Like, there's this fate or destiny sa inyong dalawa. May mga bagay sa connection ninyo na hindi ninyo mapipigilan na mangyari. Okay? It's like the universe is telling you, para sa'yo to. Ito yung dapat mangyari sa'yo. And mangyayari ito, so kailangan mo lang pagredihan. Okay? So, the way I say this, itong person na ito is about to come to your life. Maybe magta-travel with the Chariot, the Hermit. Yeah. You have to be ready. Sooner or later, magugulat ka na lang biglang nandyan na. Nandun na yung pagkagusto niya yung eagerness niya na gawain ito. So what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? One last shuffle. Okay. In the near future, you do have here the Four of Cups and the Ace of Cups. Why are you like that? Page of Pentacles. Natawa naman ako sa energy mo. Air sign, Nine of Wands. The World. Bottom of the deck is Six of Pentacles. Clarify natin tong Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands is clarified by the Moon. Clarified with the Four of Cups. Six of Cups. Okay, there's an offer here in the near future coming from the past. So may offer sa'yo itong past na ito in the near future. Maybe an offer of love. Pero yung iba sa inyo pwede nag-aalangan. Should I take this? Dapat ko bang gawin to? Dapat ko bang tanggapin? The Nine of Wands, this is showing to me as your person, as like, I don't know, it feels like some of you, may isa pang person na nakikita dito na pwedeng umi-entra Tapos pwedeng itong isang person na ito maging dahilan para magalit siya. Ba't umi-entra pa yan? Parang ganun. Tayo lang sana, ba't may isa pa? The world is yours. Soon enough, this person is going to open up sa'yo. And I can see that with the Six of Cups, this is a person in the past. May mga bagay siyang ibibigay sa'yo, sasabihin sa'yo na pwedeng ikagulat mo. Or pwedeng hindi ka rin maging sure kung tatanggapin mo pa itong bagay na to. The Moon is here. Trust your instinct, your intuition about this. Nakikita natin magiging maganda yung flow ng connection na ito between you and this person. Pero kailangan mong wag mag-alangan. Kung ano talaga yung gusto mo, yun yung gusto mo, wag mong alangan. Yung iba mag-aalangan ka sa sarili mo, kalaban mo yung sarili mo. What if ganito, ganyan? Kumbaga ang kalaban mo yung iniisip mo dito. But there's a beautiful new beginning para sa'yo coming from the Chariot. Diba? Nabanggit ko sa'yo kanina, the Chariot. Lumabas na yun sa bottom of the deck. The Three of Swords is here. Some of you, there's another person nga na involved. Which is might be, yun yung nagiging dahilan maaari kung bakit nagkakaroon ka ng pag-aalangan dito. Pero alam mo sa sarili mo kung anong gusto mo. And eventually, yung gusto mo mangyayari sa'yo, i-manifest mo lang. At once na dumating na yon, huwag kang mag-alangan. Okay? Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.